I put toothpaste in a toilet tank and I was surprised by the result. Why? I never thought of this before. So, folks, check this out. If you like to always have your toilet clean, disinfected, and your bathroom smelling good without spending too much on expensive products, then I'm going to give you this tip using toothpaste. That's right. So you can leave your toilet clean, fragrant, and are spending very little. And for that, you're going to need a toothpaste too. This one is half full, but if yours is full, that's even better. First, go ahead and grab a sharp object here. I'm using the mobile chip remover, but it could be a needle or earring too. And then poke some little holes in the toothpaste. That's why the object has to be thin. Make some holes here, but it doesn't have to be too much. First on one side and then on the other side as well. Once that's done, now take a pair of scissors and make 2 cuts. One right here and another one on the other side too, but make sure it's not too big either. So let me go ahead and cut this side here. And now I'm going to cut the other side, and that's how it's going to be. And now let's do the following. First, remove the toilet tank lead, and then just take the toothpaste and put it in a tank like this. And now here's the thing. The toothpaste will come into contact with the water, and then every time you flush it, a little bit of the toothpaste will come out with the water. And if you didn't know, toothpaste is antibacterial. So it starts to eliminate bacteria and germs, which is what usually gives your toilet a bad smell. And on top of that, it's also going to smell fresh and minty, leaving your bathroom even more fragrant. After positioning the toothpaste for the lead back in place, then wait 5 minutes before flushing it again so that a toothpaste can come into contact with the water. It's been 5 minutes already. I'm going to open the lid again to show you guys. And look, the toothpaste is already mixed. It makes it with the water pretty well. Now let me flush it to show you guys that the toothpaste tube doesn't move. It actually is going to stay still there, similar to the products we buy. So I'm going to flush it and check it out. The toothpaste tube stays fixed, and every time the tank fills up again, the paste is going to mix with water, releasing some foam. And that's what's going to make your bathroom more fragrant and also help to keep the toilet clean because the toothpaste already has in its composition baking soda, which also helps to keep the toilet always white. So that's it, guys. Do it at home. I'm pretty sure you're going to like the result.